utilities. I believe that good economy, bad economy, may pandemic, walang pandemic, people will still have to pay. Especially energy is very, very important and essential to where we are right now. And in the midst of the lockdown, isipin nyo to, mas babayaran ng tao yung Meralco bill nila, yung energy bills nila, kesa sa iba nilang bagay. Magtitipid sila sa ibang bagay, meaning baka hindi mo nila bibilhin yung pangalawan nilang rubber shoes or pangalawan nilang cellphone or yung bahay na plano nilang bilhin, pero for sure priority nila bayaran yung kuryente nila. So you can if you look at it from the questions that I asked kanina, are the earnings of these four companies predictable? In my opinion, they are. Are they resilient in the midst of the pandemic? They are. Do they also have track records of giving out dividends? I'll show you in a bit as well. I just want to balance this out also, and I've said this already at some parts of this video, this seminar, that ingat lang din kayo sa dividends, because that's why I spent a lot of time sharing to you that you buy the ones that are resilient in the midst of the pandemic. You buy the ones that hindi lang sila resilient, predictable yung income nila, because when times are bad, they're not obliged to give you a dividend. If the company decides, kahit maganda yung kita nila or pangit yung kita nila, if the company decides not to give out dividends, you won't receive any dividends. For the Philippine dividend portfolio, my goal is as long as mataas yung dividends and it will give me cash flow and predictable and hindi mo mawala yung dividends, okay na sa akin yun. And please remember, that's what will give you stability when things are not okay, na alam nyo meron kayong matatanggap na amount of money.